Hi, and welcome to day 13 of Healing Sounds for You and the Planet. And I thought we would do an earth sound today. And this one is a little bit interesting. My name, by the way, is Jacqueline Morosco of Spirited Practice. And so it's spelled BHU. And so the H, and I've talked about this earlier, but in case you haven't seen the earlier videos, it's a Mahaprana, and so we use our diaphragm, so it's like boo, boo, boo. And you want to, like I have my hand on my diaphragm, I don't know that you can see it in the video. You want to engage your diaphragm when you're making that sound, so you're using your whole body. It's not up here and it's not in the lips. Boo, 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 boo. So our chant for today is Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma. Just take a breath. Notice how you're feeling. It's definitely one of, well, it's a combination of sounds that, like, it takes some effort. You know, when I make that Mahaprana too much, like, it makes me hungry and heats up my body, and I can feel the muscles in my torso. Um, in fact, when people, say that they want to lose weight or engage their core, I think of chanting sounds like the ones that we're doing today. So again, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma, Om Bhuma. So nice deep breath. Notice how you're feeling. If it feels good, this is a great sound to sit outside on the ground and, feel the earth underneath you as you make those sounds, and just notice how your body feels energetically, your connection to the earth, to the planet, to yourself. And have a great day. Again, I'm Jacqueline Morosco at Spirited Practice, and subscribe if you want to keep getting these sound videos into your inbox. Namaste.